back to our show, Tafaoga, Experience Our Beautiful Samoa. Ty took you guys on an experience through Apia and through the east coast of Samoa, and today we're going to take you along the south coast. My name is Joe, and I'll be your host for today. I started a YouTube channel 2 years ago when we moved to Samoa called Jamily TV. Also a year ago, I started an online business that allows family overseas to buy their shopping for their local family here in Samoa. That's called ibuypacific.com. But today, we're going to take a tour of all the great places on the south coast of Samoa. Introduce ourselves to Luputo. Very nice to meet you.
Talo falava Joe, talo falava Samoa, we feel lava mo ne Lanoto'o, fala we loa tuai nisio mataanga, tutono Samoa. How are you today, Joe?
I'm doing so awesome today. Can you tell us a little bit more about Tour Samoa?
Tour Samoa, we're a new touring company. We launched in August last year, and passion is about showcasing Samoa to the world, but also complementing some of the work that Samoa Tourism Authority are doing, as well as the various operators here in Samoa.
There's a lot of cool places to go to on the south coast of Samoa. Can you tell us where we're going today?
Okay, we'll be moving west towards Togitogiga, Coastal Walk. We'll be taking the Cross Island Road, so it's Patai Falls, and then we'll stop over at Lake Lanoto'o.
That's a massive and exciting day. Ready to go. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Let's go.
Let's go. We're currently here at beautiful Tufa Village, and along this stretch of beaches are various beach valley operators. Just a nice day for a family to come out and enjoy the sun, the beach, and just have a good time. But Joe, on my tours, I normally take the chef with me. And since it's a beautiful morning, why don't we have some breakfast?
That sounds awesome. I wish my family was here to enjoy it, because you're right, this looks like a perfect place to bring my family. For sure. Let's go get some breakfast.
Let's go.
This looks amazing.
Yeah, chef. So today, this morning, we're just gonna have some eggs Benedict and Vaiula, which is our twist on a local favorite.
I'm so excited.
Shall we?
Yeah, let's go. Oh man, that's straight up amazing, bro.
Thank you, bro. Well, this is something that we like to do to showcase some of our skills in cooking that's available here in Samoa. Hope you enjoy it, man.
And it's a really good idea for you to bring the chef. It's the best idea you've had all day.
Thank you, bro. Before we leave Tafa, there's just this one spot that I want you to see.
Yes! Where are we going?
We're going to a cave called here at Vaiula Beach Valleys, and it's an amazing cave. It'll be an exciting trek to get there.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. This is the trek right here, bro. So as you can see, Joel, it's a bit rough heading down this trek. So it'll be very useful to have some good hiking shoes or sports shoes as we go down this rough terrain.
One of the things that I really love about Samoa is how green it is. You know, like, I mean, there's green everywhere, but in Samoa, it's like hyper. So how did you find this place?
This place has been discovered by the Vaiula Beach Valley.
Okay. And they're right here next to Moengamanaya on Tafa Beach.
That's right. It's a bit of a story behind this. There are actually some filmers from New Zealand who came and tried to go through the cave, and they never made it to the end.
Really?
So, yeah.
How long did they try?
It took them over a day to try and
What?
map out the whole cave.
No way.
To this day, they still haven't found the end of the cave, so it's quite a long way back. And it feels like we're in the middle of nowhere.
It really does. Prehistoric atmosphere out here.
Watch your step there, Joe. Here we are.
Is this it?
This is the entrance to the cave. So welcome to Vaiula Cave.
Man, you think we can go down there? Oh, that was a bag.
Is it a bad? We can definitely try.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Yep.
That's the only source of airflow from outside. Alright, Joe. You okay?
Yeah, thank you. I didn't realize that these were like birds. They look like birds, not bats.
What happened, bro?
Whoops. I'm a little stuck.
Give me a hand.
All good.
Good. I think we're here, Joe. You hear that?
Yeah. Look how clear the water is. What?
Look at that.
How far back does it go? Oh, as far as you can see.
Yeah. So you can imagine the trek that we took. We probably crossed the roadway above us, going back inland.
Yeah.
So it stretches up for quite a while, quite a long distance.
So is this fresh water or salt water?
This is fresh water. Yeah, fresh water. And this is what the villagers used to use back in the days when they had no water.
Yeah.
And amazing.
Cool.
But this is fresh water, Joe.
Is it cool? Wow. Oh, yeah, that's nice.
It'd be nice to take a dip in here.
Time for Kyle.
That's right.
You take me to where Bruce Wayne lives?
This kind of looks like it, eh?
It does.
Oh, just watch out, Joe. I think some of the village boys are going to show us how it's done. Alonso.
Well, boys.
Hello. What'd you think about that, Joe?
Yeah, that was a lot of fun. It's a nice hike. It's not too dangerous. You can take your family down there if you wanted to.
Right, yeah. How about the water down there? Nice, man. Cool.
That forever love, ooh yeah. I promise I won't ever give up on love.
So we're here at beautiful National Park, and in the National Park, Togitogiga waterfall. So we're gonna check out this beautiful waterfall. And part of this place is we have garden toilets situated in Togitogiga, and this is something that Samoa Tourism Authority has placed amongst different sites here in Samoa.
Yeah.
So it's good for tourists to come and check out our garden toilets.
Yeah, it's beautiful garden toilets.
All right, let's make our way over.
I'm here to serve you, my girl, you're the truth. Billion girls, but it's you, only you. But that's that, matter of fact, that's a rap, we should call him bounce that. Baby, this is that forever love. Baby, this forever. I promise I won't ever give up on us. Baby, we got that forever love, oh yeah. You are my forever, baby.
Here we are, Joe. Welcome to Togitogiga waterfall.
It's beautiful here. You can feel it. It's a little bit cooler here.
Yep.
Man.
National Park, and then we're actually going to take a coastal walk along the lava fields, which is about 1.8 kilometers. So it should be fun.
Yeah, you can hear the water like from here.
Exactly.
It's raging. All right, let's go see.
All right, let's go. Waves crashing onto the shoreline.
You can almost feel it. How close can I get?
I think this is close to the
Okay. Man, even on an overcast day like this, it's beautiful, eh?
You feel that breeze.
Man, look at the water. Turquoise, beautiful. Makes you want to jump in, huh? But you really can't.
You really don't want to.
Because there's not really, because there's a bunch of rocks down there. Really?
This is around tide, high tide.
Okay.
But yes, this is the sound that you normally hear when you're around the coast of the world. We're about to get to one of my favorite spots, Joe.
Oh, it's starting to open up.
Yeah, this is where it really opens up and you can actually walk along the cliff edge. I feel that breeze open up.
That breeze is nice. Man.
Ali Joe. Sembang ngayon, dele ah.
Sekia.
Alright Joe, we finally arrived at our spot for today. This is the beautiful black sand beach here at Aganoa. Although it took quite a drive, what do you think of this place, man?
Oh, it's super gorgeous. Love the black sand. The water, the contrast between the water and the sand, the crystal clear water, is just so beautiful. Thanks for bringing me here.
No worries, man. Check the tide times before you arrive here. Otherwise, although it's a little bit of an overcast here, nothing can beat the beauty of the black sand beach. Look at that.
How high does the tide come when it's
when it's high tide, it usually comes up to where we're standing right now.
Oh, okay.
So that's why it's very useful and very important that people check the tide times.
Yeah, for sure. Are there any? I didn't see any beach valleys or anything here.
So at Aganoa, there are no beach valleys. So you basically are just surrounded by the natural environment.
So it's kind of a local hidden spot then.
It is, yeah.
That's the best part.
It takes a bit of a drive to get here. How long did it take?
Like 20, 25 minutes from the main road, something like that.
But it's well worth it.
Not bad. Yeah, it's a drive.
That's the start of the hike.
Oh, that's the start of the hike.
Yeah.
I thought you were
We haven't started yet.
I thought we were done. No, 300 more meters. Okay. And then after you start the hike, then how much farther?
All up, it'll probably take you an hour
From the beginning?
of the point
hike?
with it, yeah. Up until the actual lake.
Okay. So can you drive all the way back here, or you kind of?
If you have a high vehicle,
Yeah.
4-wheel drive, or a higher truck, then it's possible to make it all the way through the
To the
starting point.
start,
Yeah,
but
to
you
the
can't
start.
go any farther after that.
Otherwise, the road is pretty rough.
Okay.
You get to certain landmarks in town,
Except the cows.
but I think before we go, Joe, it's very important that we probably have to do some stretches and
Okay.
prepare ourselves. Are you okay with that?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, cool. trying to.
You said stretch.
You're doing it the wrong way. You're supposed to do it like. So Joe, before we go, it's really important that we get through a few tips. So obviously we've done some stretching, but when you go on a hike, usually on a sunny day, you probably need some pair of glasses, some hat, some sunscreen, probably need some water as well. And as a tour guide, you always have to carry a backpack. You can carry some water in here for your clients, tourists,
So I don't have
and that way you don't have to carry anything.
My brother,
You ready to go?
I'm ready to go.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it.
The amazing thing about this place, Joe, is you'll come across wildlife here. And some of them, they're not afraid of humans because they probably haven't seen as many as humans cross this path. So they're just minding his own business, doing his own thing. But you often come across a lot of wildlife in this area, and that's just one of them. So this is a wild mouse.
I've never seen one that.
Yeah, you can almost pet it. Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, Joe,
That was quite the hike.
we finally made it.
Yeah.
And just behind us is the beautiful Lake Lanoto'o. And I think it took us about, what, 45 to an hour to get here?
Probably something like that.
Although the conditions weren't ideal, it's still a beautiful place to come and enjoy the trail.
The view. What?
Amazing, isn't it? So from here, Joe, would probably take another 5 minutes to get to the bottom.
Okay.
And then from there, we'll enjoy the lake. Come take a dip if you want.
You can swim in here?
Yes, definitely. Well, Joe, we finally made it to the lake, and although the platform is not up, we can't take away from the beauty of what we see behind us.
Oh man, it's gorgeous, untouched.
Mm.
Yeah, three comments about the hike. Probably not safe to bring kids under maybe 10. But make sure to bring sunscreen if you are coming on a hot day. And then just make sure to have a guide. I can't imagine doing that hike without having you in front of us, without having you in front of me, because just you clearing everything and telling us where to put our feet and stuff, that's a huge benefit. So this is why you come to Samoa, huh?
That's right.
To see something like this. Nobody's here, just us. Beautiful day. What's next?
Hike back up.
No food? I'm just kidding. All right, let's go.
All right. We're at the final stop of our tour today. We're standing at the viewing point at Patai, and behind me is the beautiful Patai waterfall. How's that for a name?
Oh man, that's a big name, but it matches the waterfall, right? The waterfall's huge. How tall is it?
The waterfall's about 100 meters, about 330 feet. So it's one of the tallest here in Samoa.
Oh wow, and it's a great place too. Like up high and cool. Love it up here.
You want to give it a try and say the name?
Patai. Patai.
Awesome.
Yeah! Lubuto, I really appreciate you taking me on this tour today. It's been an incredible day. I can't believe all the things we were able to see and all the sights that are so awesome here in Samoa to see. So excited for other people that aren't here to be able to come and experience our beautiful Samoa here. We want to thank all of the people who are managing all the tour sites for all the work that they did to allow us to come here. I want to also thank Samoa Tourism Authority in coordination with Tafaoga, Experience Our Beautiful Samoa, so that we can bring you guys this TV show, allowing you to see all the beautiful sights of Samoa. Next week, join us next week so that you can see us in the southwest coast as we show you a little bit more of the beauty of Samoa that Samoa has to offer you. My name is Joe. You'll find me at Jamily TV. Lubuto, you'll find him on Instagram at Tour Samoa. Join us next week. We'll see you again soon. Onliaso. Bye.
Bye.